This seat installs by securing the base first, so start by removing the seat from the base. Lift the rotate handle near the headrest and turn the seat until the white arrows on the seat and base line up. Once it's released, lift the seat straight up off the base using the harness. Remove the latch connectors from their storage locations on the back of the base. Remove the tether from storage under the base. Place the base on the vehicle seat with the anti-rebound panel up against the seat back, making sure the base sits flat and flush against the seat. Locate the tether anchor and attach the tether hook, leaving it loose for now. You'll tighten it later. Open LockStrong by squeezing the handle until the indicator turns red, then lift it up. Attach both latch connectors to the vehicle's lower anchor bars. You should hear a click when they're connected. Using your body weight, press the base firmly into the seat as you tighten the lower anchor strap. Pull the latch strap loop until it's snug. After tightening, tuck the excess latch strap under LockStrong. Close LockStrong until the indicator turns green. If it won't close, open it back up, loosen the strap slightly, and try again. Grab the base right at the belt path and gently push side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch. Once the base is secure, go back and tighten the tether by pulling the adjuster strap until it's snug. With the base installed, line up the white arrow on the front of the seat with either white arrow on the base. Lower the seat straight down onto the base. Rotate the seat until the rotation lock indicator turns green. Use rear-facing or forward-facing based on your child's size and age, and the limits listed in the manual. For rear-facing, lift the recline adjuster and tilt the seat until the recline ball is fully in the correct zone for your child's size. Always check your car seat and vehicle manuals for proper installation. If you have questions, consult a certified child passenger safety technician.